Good morning everyone and welcome back to the 5th edition of our weekly news report. I am Deepak Gupta, your host for today, and I am excited to take you through all the highlights, updates and achievements from this week at Pasimachal School. From classroom to playgrounds, from projects, performances, there has been a lot happening and we are here to celebrate it all together. So let's get started with the top stories of the week. This week, our entire school was filled with festive vibes as everyone came together to prepare for the Peace Festival. The excitement could be seen everywhere. When our girls were busy rehearsing their graceful dance performances, a special highlight was that the senior girls of grade 9 took the lead in teaching the younger girls the dance step for their upcoming competition on Friday. This spirit of guidance and teamwork made the practice even more special. Meanwhile, our boys were actively engaged in talk shows, taking turn to discuss and present their ideas. Through these activities, they work on polishing their communication skill, building self-growth, and gaining greater confidence. It was truly inspiring to see the whole school participating with such energy and zeal, making the preparation itself as joyful as the festival. You all can also joyfully enjoy the event from their glimpses. Another important update is that the school has prepared and distribute the routine for the next quarter so that the student can plan ahead and prepare themselves accordingly. The monthly routine summarizes that the second term exams are starting from 26 Bhadra and students get their routine by 15 itself. The result will be disclosed on 10th of Assos in school campus. All the holidays are clearly mentioned in the routine. And now for the breaking news and the most highlighted update of this week. Our school is proudly participating in a grand competition organized by Bhairama Television, the Tees Geet Mahotsav. In this event, one of our talented grade 9 girls is representing the school by singing a beautiful Tees song. Adding even more charm, the girl of grade 2 and 3 will be dancing in the song she sings. To complete the performances, two of our students, one from grade 7 and one from grade 8, will showcase their skill by playing traditional instruments, the madal and the khajeri. These combined efforts of singing, dancing and live music truly shows the talent, unity and culture of our spirit of our school. The results of the various competition will be revealed in the next edition weekly news report. So stay tuned, and the various episodes of this talk show will be uploaded one by one on the school Facebook page. You all can visit, watch, enjoy and appreciate our young learners. That wraps up this week updates. A big shout out to every student and teacher for making learning so much fun. We will see you again in the next edition of our weekly news. Until then, stay curious, stay kind and keep shining. Thank you and have a wonderful week ahead.